Okay, so this is going to be quite a quick video, just walking through the Hawku Screeners which I shared in Discord. My audio should be okay. I'm just going to film this in one take, so hopefully it's going to be okay, but I'm in a fairly busy cafe right now. So anyway, so I shared these Hawkers, I shared these screeners on Hawku in here. All these showed were, so those particular screeners were breeding screeners. So I found out that if you go to the parent filter, you can search by granddad ID. So what we were seeing essentially was some strong horses from some strong breeders early in 2.0. So, for example, this one was Stylish Criminal, for example. And then what you can do is you can key all of these IDs in, save them, and this is the key benefit of Hawku. So I'm going to run through the benefits and drawbacks in a second, but the kind of key benefit is its kind of update functionality and the fact that it's real time. So you can combine these filters here with the sort by, and you can go newest. So what you can see is now you can see all of the newest horses which come from a certain ancestry. So this really highlights the benefit of Hawku versus my kind of back-end coding stuff using the big data dumps to produce this kind of weekly maiden monsters. So whilst you can't screen completely comprehensively on Hawku, i.e. you can't screen using speed, there are a lot of things that you can do. So really we should be kind of maximizing the benefit which we can get from Hawku, which I think can be quite big, because as I said, the benefit is speed. So we can quickly save these once we've created a screener which we believe is powerful and consistently picks up strong new horses. We can save that into Discord, and then it's just simply a 10-minute job to go through the list at the end of each day, and then identify the horses and once you've identified horses, you can then add them onto a list. So that's a quick overview. I'm just going to quickly run through like a random screener which I think could work. So let's say, right, genotype set max to 10. Let's say we're looking for any gender, that's fine. We're only looking for NAC blood, NAC and Sabo blood. If it's Sabo, then let's go down to the parent here. Parent bloodline. Can you do grandparent bloodline? No. Okay. Ideally, you'd want at least one parent to have NAC blood, so you wouldn't want second generation Sabo. After breeding filter, doesn't really matter, but it just cuts down the return size. Distance preference. This isn't always accurate on Hawku. Wouldn't use it. Let's say win rate. We want a 30% win rate. We want fire. Where can you see fire? Overall fire. Let's say we want a strong DP horse, so you're going to want 75%. Max races 20. Rating doesn't matter. Paid doesn't matter. Paid win doesn't matter. Advanced filters. So this would be where you target the DP funnel that you want. So mid fire. If we want to target mid horses, let's go 50%, probably 60% actually. Odds don't have that. ROI percentage don't have that. Okay, cool. So this is just a quick example to see if it works. Hit save, and then make sure you're either filtering by the newest or recently raced, and that should show you the newest horses. So you can see this horse has got 15, this one's got 7 races. This one's fairly new, Pickle Pod Racer. Ancestry, Deal and Pod Racer, okay. And then you can essentially just flick through these horses, right? So you can do a quick scan. Look, I mean, the way you want to assess the shortlist is going to be another video, because there are tons of ways you can do that using ZSim, using ZLead. But once you've got the list, you can then work through it, and it shouldn't really take too long to do. So that's Hawku, and the benefits of using it. Yeah, I'll leave weekly made of monsters for a different video, and yeah, I think that covers everything. So cool, right.